we saw is the plants with the no air velocity, they were almost showing nutrient deficiencies. You know, the stems were much redder. The plant coloration itself, you know, much higher anthocyanin expression. And again, here, you know, it's not a lot as far as height goes, 6 inches. And maybe this distorts it a little bit because they were trellised, and so they're kind of, you know, they're a little floppy in the picture out of the trellis. But you can just see how different, as a full plant, the physiology is different between these treatments. And that's just visually, so.
And so funny enough, if you guys follow Pip Horticulture or the CRC on Instagram, we posted these pictures without the airflow velocities beneath them last week to see what your all's guesses would be, to see who would predict which one is 400, 200, and 0. Surprisingly, we had a lot of people guess the complete opposite, that the taller plant was 0 feet per minute and the shorter plant was 400.
Yeah, that was my hypothesis too.
That was ours as well. And I think as we go through this talk, you'll see why we think that plant height was taller with 400 feet per minute, but we were all pretty surprised by that difference. You know, if you're not familiar with it, that airflow being provided top down at a high enough velocity should provide the mechanical resistance necessary to keep it short and compact.
Right.
But other things taught us differently, so that was quite surprising.